19th one, write a Python program to count float values in a mixed list using lambda. Okay, we want to return the count float values only. From the given list we have to find how many float values are there. Okay, for this we have to use isInstance function. We have to deal now. isInstance function returns only the float values. Okay, we have to use a map function also. So first take the input list here, take the input list and take a map function. Max function executes, first parameter is a function. This function executes executes for each item in a list here. Okay, map function. Okay, first which function will take lambda I colon isInstance. Okay, you know isInstance function, isInstance I comma float. Okay, float, and also write another I here. Okay, I comma float comma I, so that the float elements will be written here, and comma second parameter is a second parameter of the map is iterables. Okay, so that's it, and print z here and convert into list type here. This convert this map into list. Print z here and check the output once. Okay, I comma x, so I. Okay, and no need of this one. See, false 1, false 2, false 3. Okay, minus 5 3 it returns. Okay, a false map list contains both false and float values. Check for loop here for I in z. If I true, okay, only true values I want. Okay, print I. Okay, if I only true, print I values here. Okay, print I values, take count equal to 0, count equal to 0 for I each for I in z means I do no need to explain again. Okay, you have to understand these things. And print I count is equal to count plus 1. Print number of float count values are number of float number of float values comma count here. Okay, simple. Execute now. See, 11 here. Okay, no need of writing I here. Okay, isInstance just execute now, CLS and execute again. Number of float values 4 here. Okay, see, observe number of float values 4 here. Okay, just count, observe here, count here. Just it returns only the isInstance method takes the first parameter is the iterables here. Okay, argument, and second parameter is the type here. isInstance method basically checks the type here. Okay, whether it return type is boolean type here. It checks a list value, list elements here, and returns true or false. Okay, isInstance method checks here. Okay, lambda function, and converting into list here, and we are going through looping and we are counting 0. Okay, each for loop, if it is true, we are counting into, we are assigning that count value into the count variable here. Okay, simple.